Let's turn this placenta into capsules. Inspect the placenta first to make sure everything is good to capsulate. Cut the umbilical cord and sack off. As you can see, there are 2 layers to the sac. Now it's time to rinse and drain all the LOOD from the placenta. Then steam it. Slice the placenta into thin pieces. Place the pieces in the dehydrator for 8 to 10 hours. Break up the pieces to make sure everything is completely dry. Add the pieces to a blender and blend. Add empty capsules to capsule machine. Pour the grounded placenta in and spread into capsules. Close the capsules and add them to the jar. Finished product and ready for my client.